Put my memory count on. You detect one time.
Ready to go, Terry.
All right. Don't detect. Right, you memory count. Detect one time.
And then it goes.
And sometimes you don't detect. Yeah, you don't detect my memory. Sometimes. Huh. Go on the high factor. All right, here we go. First time with the gyro. Oh.
What?
I turned my rates down. Oh, that was close.
Turned your rates down.
So I gotta put it on low rate.
There, that's low. Okay.
That would have been hairy.
Yep.
Here we go. Flight number 2.
It survived. Attempt for number 2.
Yeah, I think everything's okay. We'll try that again. Oh, damn it.
Wayne wants to try to throw, yeah. That way you have
should go this way. Damn it!
Rolling on you.
I'm not going into the wind enough. I gotta go straight up. I gotta go straight up the runway. No, it's no heavier than the last one. We'll go straight up the runway, Shane.
Okay.
Sounded weird.
I did.
Seems fine.
That was sketch.
What do you mean? That's how I planned it. Alright, come off the runway and I'm gonna go high speed fast.
I don't know where you are. There you are.
Yeah.
What?
You might have too much on there.
Too much?
Is gyro on?
Yeah, it really went nuts.
You did that before, didn't it?
Nope.
Oh, better be that. Too much gain.
Have to turn it down a little bit, maybe.
Too much gain. What's
overcorrecting.
Combating it, but can't keep up with the constant direction of it, right?
All right, gyro off.
That's off.
Yeah, but I gotta come a little around again. That's off.
Yeah, what difference though?
Holy sheep shit!
What?
Definitely the gyro.
It just climbed, Shane. The power is unbelievable.
Oh, okay, you did that on purpose.
No, not with the gyro off. I can't. It just freaking goes for the sun. That was wide open.
I could hear it was just a screaming.
Holy sheep shit. All right, I'm coming in. Holy fuck!
At slow speed, when you had the gyro on it, seemed you worked pretty good.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Hey, your nerve shot, Terry.
Oh, they are shot. That's crazy fast.
I had a hard time keeping up with it.
Should we try it again with the...
You want to turn the gain down?
Yeah.